question for today is, should or should not we conduct session related vulnerabilities on a REST API? So the answer to this is not a direct answer, yes or no. Why? Because what is a session basically? So basically it's a token. It could be a cookie. When it concerns with the web application, it's a cookie which goes back and forth from server and browser. It moves from server between the server and the browser to ensure the session is established. Whereas what happens in the REST APIs is there is a thing of token which also ensures the same purpose as a session cookie. Why? Because API can be called by any carrier. Carrier meaning it could be a mobile application who is consuming the API, it could be a web application who is consuming, or anything for that matter. And for the consuming entity to call that API, it needs to have the token which is always saved on the server end. Without that, the consumer won't be able to call that API or consume it, and which is similar to having a cookie getting transferred between a browser and the server. And hence, you should completely do all the session related vulnerability assessment for that particular token in your REST APIs. So the answer is not really whether or not I should do session related attacks on REST API, not really, but do have this checklist or execution done on the token which travels or communicates between the REST APIs. Thank you.